mixing height and strong inversion condition, which is prevailing in northern India now in the winter months, we are getting very high level of pollution. So you can see that the light scattering pollutants and the light absorbing pollutants are also where large number of chemical industries are located and they are using type of solvents. So what about those pollutants? We are not monitoring those solvents like benzene and toluene and methylene chloride and PM10 and neglecting those toxic pollutants. No state pollution control board are regularly or monitoring the VOCs in here in an industrial area. There is no solvent balance. We know losses are there, and that has all contributed either in effluent or in emission in terms of VOCs. But we are not neither making any regulation nor is not done. So this is another one which I want to focus and want to highlight and want to flag it that the hazardous air pollutant is one. Then oxide, sulfur dioxide is converted to sulfate very quickly and then deposited as a sulfate with the fine particulate matter. So this is another important thing. Level in our area is very low and we are well within the standard. But actually it is not so. All the sulfur dioxide is quickly converted to the sulfate and deposited with PM2.5 and giving a black soot particle. That is why I will show some of the filter paper color which we have collected, which is deposited on the fine particles. Then reducing sulfur compounds and certain VOCs are giving odorous problem. So in Gujarat, in Maharashtra, in Tamil Nadu, we are facing some of the odor, this thing on the odorous reduced sulfur compounds. Then we have the climate forces.